Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the slide fits properly and the surface is ready. Try them on, walk a few steps, and adjust any straps so they sit snug without pinching. Once done, clean with a soft brush and mild soap to remove factory residue. Drying matters because adhesives and paints bond to dry material. Prepare accessories like thin socks, ankle chains, or adhesive inserts so you can experiment quickly and see which look complements the Azure tone. Now you create visual interest by adding texture and color. Start by testing a fabric marker or paint pen on an inside edge. This prevents surprises. Then apply thin strokes or dots to highlight contours. Keep accents minimal to preserve the signature Azure. If you plan dyes or darker touches, treat with a protectant first so the material accepts color evenly. Lastly, layer socks or detachable straps to add depth. These let you change the look without permanent alteration. Finish by securing embellishments and checking balance. Use low-heat adhesive or tiny stitches to attach chains or patches so they stay but remain removable. Avoid heavy glue that can stiffen the slide. Make sure you have one focal detail per shoe to keep the look cohesive rather than busy. If something goes wrong, gently remove smudges with a recommended solvent and re-dye small spots in thin layers, letting each dry fully. This preserves color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.